Namaskar, friends. In my last talk, um, I left it on a subject to be discussed further, was which was ego and guilt. ये एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसके which affects everybody, but none of us are ready and willing to pay attention to this subject because actually nobody is bothered about it till such time that somebody else tells you that this is what is wrong with you and you need to do something about it. It's a very funny thing. Uh, there are two things which leads to downfall of a human being, according to me. Two major things which leads to downfall of a human being, जो एक मनुष्य के पतन का कारण बनती हैं, जो दो मुख्य चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में मेरे हिसाब से है, वो है ईगो, अहंकार, और गिल्ट, आत्मग्लानि। अब सवाल ये आता है कि आम आदमी को इसका ज्ञान क्यों नहीं है, आम आदमी इसके लिए कुछ करता क्यों नहीं। अगर हम जानते हैं कि वी आर हैविंग एन इशू विच एवरीवन इज हैविंग, every living human being is affected by either of these two, but then what do we do about it? We don't do anything. I think now the question comes, ये पता कैसे लगेगा what is affecting us from either of these two? इसका बड़ा साफ सिंपल प्रिंसिपल है। माया, ये शब्द तो बहुत लोगों ने सुना है। भगवान कृष्ण मायाधारी थे, मायाधीश थे, मायाधारी थे। हमारे भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के देवी देवता हुए जो माया संसार को प्रभावित करते रहे। और आपने तो नॉर्मल पार्लर लैंग्वेज में सुना भी होगा कि ये तो प्रभु की माया है, यानी जो समझ नहीं आया वो माया है, जो समझ नहीं आया वो माया है। पर मैं कहता हूँ कि समझ क्यों नहीं आया, आया है, बिल्कुल समझ आया। मैं आपको समझाता हूँ। ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम बहुत मेहनत करके भी सफल नहीं होते? ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम एक जगह पहुंच के थक जाते हैं और वहां पहुंच के हिम्मत से काम करना छोड़ देते हैं, फिर कह देते हैं कि ये प्रभु की माया है? ऐसा दो ही कारणों से होता है। या तो either you are living in guilt or either you are living in ego. अब मैं माया को निगेट नहीं कर रहा, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि माया डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट। इट इज़ ए सुपर साइंस। आज के समय में हमारी साइंस, तंत्र मंत्र यंत्र, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, न्यूमरोलॉजी, जितने भी एग्जिस्टिंग ज्ञान है ये उनसे परे है। माया सबको वशीभूत करती है। माया का प्रभाव से कोई अछूता नहीं है। माया सबको अपने वश में रखती है, एंड देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट। व्हाट आई थिंक इज दैट any of you believers, any of you who believe in God or who believes in any path that exists beyond your understanding and knowledge, that guides you, that motivates you, that has a role to play in your life. Anybody of you who believes in that path or God knows that yes, there is Maya. There is Maya known by different names in different places, in different religion, in different countries. इसमें कोई शक नहीं। जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि अक्सर लोग यही कहते हैं कि जो समझ में नहीं आया वही माया। This science is a little beyond the scope of normal understanding. You need to concentrate on it to understand what is Maya. अब माया क्या करती है? मजे की बात यह है कि there has to be control. I, you and everybody believes there is something which is controlling everything. That is the reason why I have not become Mukesh Ambani. That's the reason why you have not become Anil Ambani, or you have not become whatever you wanted to become. If there would have been no control, if there would have been no supervening or supervising power over us, every and each one of us would have gone beyond our limits and have fallen, ultimately fallen. And वो कैसे मैं आपको बताता हूँ। आज भी मिनिस्क्यूल लेवल पे we fall every day, but that fall is not such a great fall that we can't get up. Maya has designed it in such a way that you can fall and get up and start walking again from both its effects, both ego and guilt. If there would have been no Maya, then your fall would have been your last fall. Now understand this. If you are successful, if you have a lot of money, if you have reached a level where you wanted to reach and beyond that, ego gets to you, अहंकार पकड़ लेता है. If you are not been able to reach where you wanted to reach, if you have failed in your life and you believe that you have failed in your life, तो आपको गिल्ट पकड़ता है, आत्मग्लानि. ये दोनों माया की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. पर मज़े की बात दोस्तों इसमें यह है कि जो सक्सेसफुल है, पैसे वाला है, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कामयाब है. और जो गरीब है, जो फेलियर है, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि नाकामयाब है. समझने की बात है. दोनों के लिए माया ने डिज़ाइन कर रखा है फॉल. यू विल फॉल एंड डेफिनेटली फॉल if you bask in ego. You will definitely fall again if you bask in guilt. Both are made to make you fall, which is again a mechanism to make you realize that you are not on the right track. Go, get up, walk, do it again. स्टार्ट अफ्रेश. इसको समझना पड़ेगा. मेरा पर्पस इस टॉक का ये है कि ना तो आप अहंकार से, ईगो से अफेक्ट हो, ना आप गिल्ट और आत्मग्लानि से अफेक्ट हो. क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली दोस्तों दोनों में ही डाउनफॉल है, दोनों में ही गिरना है. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप गिरे. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप ये समझ लें कि जब आप सफल हो गए हैं, जब आप सफलता की उस मुकाम पे पहुंच गए जहां आप पहुंचना चाहते थे, तो आप अपने आप से जुड़े रहें. आप अपने अंतर में झांक के देखें और ये समझें कि जो कुछ आप हैं, जो कुछ आपने अचीव किया, उसके पीछे कोई पर्पस है, उसके पीछे कोई रीज़न है, और उसके प्रति अहंकार ना करें। क्योंकि जैसे ही आप अहंकार के मन में आता है, आपके मन में अहंकार आया, आपका पतन शुरू हो जाएगा। और उन लोगों के लिए जो गिरते हैं, जो असफल हो गए, जिनके अंतर में गिल्ट पनप रहा है, वो भी देखें, अपने अंतर समझें कि दिस इज़ नॉट द एंड ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, दिस इज़ जस्ट द बिगनिंग। आई हैव टू गेट अप and walk again, because it is nothing but Maya. It is all nothing but Maya. Now, people run around for solutions. People run around for peace. The moment, and there are a lot of agencies, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of, there are lot many sciences that are offering ready-made peace or ready-made solutions to your daily problems. There are a lot of sciences which are offering you solutions. I've earlier mentioned yantra, mantra, tantra, numerology, astrology. All these sciences are offering us solutions for our problems. If you ask me, sincerely, I feel they are just stopgap arrangements. Since I am talking about Maya, and I have earlier told you that Maya is beyond and over and above a normal science. Hence, I am telling you that all these solutions that have been provided to us are stopgap arrangements. If they are not, then why there is a concept of free will? Why there is a concept of leap of faith? If you can change your destiny at any given point in time, then how would a predestined solution to your problem would really affect you or help you? If you can, and if you have the power to change your destiny, you can still change it. You do not need any external solution. Then you will tell me that you need a guidance. You need somebody to guide you. Definitely, definitely, I would say that all these people who are giving you advice, and if you find a person who has right intentions, right motives to do so, do go to him. Ask him for a direction. Ask him the right questions. Ask him. Let him guide you. But don't take his advice as the ultimate fate of yours. Because nobody can predict your ultimate fate. Nobody has predicted your coming in this world, and nobody can predict your going from this world. My friends, I believe that you come and you go with a divine wish, and in the intercalum, you are there to do a job. You need to find out what that job is. Swami Vivekananda used to say, world is a great gym, We come here to make ourselves stronger. Make yourself strong. He further said, religion is closer to me with football than Gita. Make yourself strong. Make yourself competent. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर कज़ा से पहले खुदा तुझसे पूछे तेरी रज़ा क्या है. Make yourself stronger. Make yourself believe and understand that Maya is always there. You will always get defocused from time to time. The nature of human being, in the nature of human being, it is built to fall. There is no shame in that. You will fall, you will get up, you will move on and do so. The purpose of my explaining Maya to you is that don't bask in ego if you are successful, and don't bask in guilt if you are a failure. Get out of these two emotions as fast as possible if you want to get the real success in life, which, my friends, is never material. I'll further go on to say that success in material is immaterial. Therefore, I conclude this talk here, and I'll come up with a new subject in my next talk. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and make yourself stronger. You have come here to fight. Fight for your happiness, fight for your peace, fight for your right to live.